Meteorites are rocks from space that survive their journey through Earth's atmosphere and land on the ground. Because of their unusual appearance, they can sometimes be confused with common Earth rocks. Luckily, there are a few easy ways to test them at home. Check the weight. Meteorites are usually much heavier than normal rocks of the same size because they often contain iron and nickel. If your stone feels unusually heavy in your hand, that's the first sign. 2. Magnet test. Most meteorites are magnetic due to their high iron content. Try placing a strong magnet near the stone. If the magnet sticks, it could be a meteorite. If not, it's likely just a regular rock. Number 3. Look for a fusion crust. When meteorites enter Earth's atmosphere, the outside melts slightly and forms a thin, dark coating called a fusion crust. It often looks black or burnt. The inside of the rock may look lighter or metallic when broken. Number 4. Examine the surface. Meteorites often have regmaglypts, thumbprint-like depressions on the surface, a metallic or shiny sparkle if cut or filed. No quartz crystals, since quartz is not found in meteorites. 5. Streak test. Rub the stone on unglazed porcelain. Meteorite with iron may leave a dark grey or reddish streak. Terrestrial rock may leave a white streak. 6. Avoid common meteor-wrongs. Many Earth rocks look like meteorites but are not. Examples: slag from factories looks metallic and heavy but is man-made. Basalt, dark volcanic rock that resembles meteorite. Conclusion: at home, you can test a possible meteorite stone by checking its weight, magnetism, fusion crust, and streak. If your rock passes several of these tests, you might be holding a real meteorite. For 100% confirmation, however, you'll need laboratory analysis.